today we are going to discuss here reasons of economic problem. Okay, so the very first reason is unlimited human wants. As we know that human wants, these are unlimited, they never ends, these are never ending. That means if one want is satisfied, then automatically another want will generate. Okay, that means this demand of human beings, demand by human beings, these are never ending. Okay, for example, you need a mobile. Okay, after that you need a laptop, after that you need a car. Okay, so this is what that your wants, this is unlimited. Okay, now the next is what, next reason or next cause is here limited resources. In economics, scarcity means the commodities or the resources which are used to satisfy these human wants, they are limited in relation to their demand. That means their supply is less and their demand is more. Okay, this is what, this is limited resources in the economy. Okay, and these resources are used for what, for used to satisfy human wants which are unlimited. Okay, so due to this scarcity of these resources, an economy cannot produce all that goods and services which is demanded by the citizens, which is demanded by the public of any country. Okay, that's why some wants, they remain unsatisfied. Okay, next moving on to alternative uses. Now these resources or means which are used to satisfy human wants, they have alternative uses. That means here one resource can be used for different purposes. Okay, for example, milk can be used for different purposes. For example, it can be used to prepare cheese. Okay, it can be used to prepare tea, it can be used to prepare different types of sweet dishes. Okay, so you have to choose here. Okay, you have to choose here on your priority that what you want. Since these resources are limited, okay, that's why these resources can't fulfill all your needs. Okay, so because of all these things, that is unlimited human wants, limited resources and alternative uses, there arises the problem of scarcity, the situation of scarcity. That means there are scarce resources and unlimited human wants. Okay, now because of this there arises the problem of choice. That means now you have to choose that which need is your priority, you have to decide your priority. Okay, that means there will be situation when all your demands cannot be fulfilled. Okay, this is why there is economic problem, or we can say these are the reasons of emergence of economic problem. Okay.